In a peaceful village surrounded by lush green hills, there lived a skilled carpenter named Dev. Known for his unmatched dedication, he spent his days tirelessly crafting furniture in his small workshop. His work was precise and sturdy, but it took him a lot of time to complete each piece. One day, the village headman approached Dev with an urgent request. "Dev," he said, "the annual festival is coming up in 10 days, and we need 50 chairs for the celebration hall. You are the only one who can make this happen. Will you take the job?" Dev's chest swelled with pride. "Of course, I will. Consider it done," he replied confidently. The very next morning, Dev began his work. He started with the first chair, carefully measuring, cutting, and assembling the wood. Then he moved on to the next one, repeating the process step by step. He poured all his energy into his craft, determined to meet the deadline, but after 4 days of relentless work, he had completed only 5 chairs. As he stood in his workshop, surrounded by unfinished pieces of wood, fatigue crept into his body, and doubt clouded his mind. "How will I ever finish 50 chairs in time?" he thought. That evening, his neighbor Mira, a clever weaver known for her innovative methods, stopped by. She noticed the unfinished work and the worried look on Dev's face. "Dev, you look exhausted. What's troubling you?" she asked. "I promised to make 50 chairs for the festival. But I've barely finished 5 in 4 days. No matter how hard I work, I just can't keep up," Dev replied, frustration evident in his voice. Mira smiled gently. "Dev, hard work is important, but it's not always enough. Sometimes, you need to work smart. Let me share an idea with you." Dev was curious. "What do you mean, Mira?" Mira pointed to her basket of weaving materials. "When I make baskets, I don't finish one basket at a time. Instead, I prepare all the materials first, then weave in stages. This way, I save time and effort. Why don't you try something similar with your chairs?" Dev was intrigued but unsure. "How would that work for me?" Mira explained further. "Instead of crafting each chair from start to finish, break the process into steps. First, cut the wood for all 50 chairs. Then sand all the pieces together. Finally, assemble and polish them in batches. You'll see how much faster and easier it becomes." The next morning, Dev decided to try Mira's method. He started by cutting all the wooden parts for the chairs in one go, stacking them neatly. Then he sanded each piece together, saving time by using a consistent rhythm. Finally, he set up an efficient assembly line to put the chairs together in groups. By the 9th day, Dev had completed all 50 chairs. With the extra time, he polished and decorated them, adding a personal touch to each one. When the festival began, the villagers were amazed at the beautifully crafted chairs. The headman was delighted. "Dev, you've outdone yourself. These chairs are perfect. How did you manage to finish them all in such a short time?" Dev smiled and replied, "I owe it to Mira. She taught me that hard work is important, but smart work makes all the difference. Instead of just working harder, I learned to work more efficiently." From that day on, Dev adopted this new approach in all his work. He became the most sought-after carpenter in the region, known not only for his skill but also for his innovative methods. Moral of the story: hard work is essential, but it must be paired with smart thinking and strategic planning. Success comes not just from effort but from knowing how to use your time and energy wisely. Work smart, not just hard, to achieve greater results.